The Navisworks Options Editor dialog box is available by clicking the Navisworks application button and selecting Options. The factory layout options include the grid floor, grip snap, and set landing surface settings. You can export and import the options, as well as reset the options to their default values. The grid floor settings control the appearance of the factory floor. You can control whether the floor is visible and whether a floor border is displayed. You can also change the floor color using a standard color palette. The auto size option controls whether the floor size updates as models are positioned or if it maintains a specified size. To change the minimum floor size, uncheck auto size, enter the length and width, and check auto size again. The floor size can now increase as you use grip snap to move factory components near the borders, but it will not become smaller than the specified size. If you use Resize Floor to change the floor size, the minimum floor size updates to match the new values. The Grid Settings group includes visibility controls for the grid, X and Y axes, the coordinate system triad, and the major and minor grid lines. You can set the X and Y grid spacing separately. You can change the color of the major grid lines and set their frequency. By default, every other line is displayed as a major line. You can also set the color of the minor grid lines. The Grip Snap behavior options include controls for snapping to other models and to the grid. You can also change the snap tolerance to increase or decrease the sensitivity. You can change the preview mode to show rubber banding between the original and new position. You can change the colors for the rubber band, the selected point or line, and the highlighting. The Set Landing Surface options control the highlighting and selection colors.